Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a premium medium question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm extremely glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. So this is question 288, unique word abbreviation. So I find that the wording is a bit funky, but if you look at the examples, it kind of makes sense. So basically, you have these abbreviations. Any word that you're given is going to be two types. One type is where if the word is bigger than or equal to length of 3, then the first and the last letter plus the number of letters between. If it's less than or equal to 3, then it just is itself. So let's go ahead and take care of that requirement first. And we're going to do that for each word in this dictionary list. So for word in dictionary, let's go ahead and call this self.d. So the abbreviation, so if length of word is bigger than or equal to 3, then the abbreviation is just going to be word of 0 plus, because this is a string, right? Length of word minus 2 plus word of -1, because the difference is we used 2 characters, so whatever's left is the size concatenated as a string, and then we can just say the abbreviation. Let's go ahead and make this a default dict of type set, and let's add the actual word itself, so the abbreviation to the word, right? Otherwise, if it's less than or equal to 2, then just add the word to itself, right? Because it's abbreviation of itself. It says it right here. So if it's length 2 or less. Okay, so now let's go ahead and find if this word is unique or not. So it returns true if either of the conditions are met. If there's no word in dictionary whose abbreviation is equal to the word's abbreviation. So again, if the length of word is less than or equal to 2, then we can go ahead and return, or let's just go ahead and actually just take care of this. So for, well, the current abbreviation is just going to be, again, if length of word is less than or equal to 2, then that's just going to be the word itself. Otherwise, the abbreviation is just going to be word of 0 plus length of word minus 2 plus word of -1, right? Cool. So this is a string, and that's going to be for a word. So then basically, again, if there's no abbreviation, so if our current word's abbreviation that we're given, right, is not in self.d, then we can return true, right? Because if either of these are correct. So the second condition is a little more tricky, so let's go ahead and print self.d and word. So the idea is that if we take our abbreviation and we match it, right? So we match it is the current word that we're given, the only one in here. If it is, return true, otherwise return false, right? So basically this would be false. This would be true because cake is the only word with this current abbreviation. So again, if well, in that case, so let's just go ahead and loop through this dictionary, and if the current abbreviation is equal to the abbreviation of the parameter we're given, then we can just go ahead and say if the current word is in self.d of k, right, because those are the collection of words, it has to be of length 1 only. And self.dk, the length is equal to 1, because we made it a set, so we're not going to count duplicates, then we can return true, right? Otherwise, we return false. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Okay, submit it. Output limit exceeded, submit it again. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any help and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.